seeing that the market showed gains last week. What's happened on the bourse today?
Thank you, Fenly, for having me. The market today actually closed on a downward trend. Starting from a Friday last week, we saw the rally, the 4-day rally, actually come to an end on Friday. Now the market closed down a little bit above 1 percentage points. Full details on the market are not currently available, but we know the market closed with a number of 25 gainers and 44 losers. Among the top gainers, you have USC and now, among the losers, you've got Chevron there, you've got AP, and you've got Nigerian breweries also. On the back of this, we generally speculate that the market would actually trade flat or continue on a downward trend for most of this week.
Well, what's your market outlook for this week?
Market outlook is generally, we do not expect any reversal on the downward trend to happen this week. I mean, not at the start of this week. Maybe towards the end, we might see the market actually trading on a flat basis, except any other fantastic or investor sentiment news come out in the market. But on the general tone, we think the market is actually going to close a bit down this week from the gains of last week.
We'll have investor sentiments.
Mostly on the back of...
Carry on, sorry, I beg your pardon, carry on.
Mostly on the back of profits taking, basically.
And take us through investor sentiments in Nigeria at the moment, with the CBN going on a roadshow in London. What's investor sentiments looking like right now?
We expect positive outcome to come out from the CBN's roadshow recently concluded. While I know we think that most investors would actually want to take time out to actually digest information as it unfolds and the agenda of the central bank. But on a general note, we think it's going to bring some positive news into this into the market, especially for the banking stock, which constitute a major part of the stock index.
And how are these sentiments affecting the Naira, and how did it trade today, the Naira?
The Naira basically traded flat. Such sentiments are not expected to come into the dollar Naira market right now. Our take is that while we know that's a positive brew of sentiment, we don't expect to see such flows coming into the market immediately. Generally, the market traded a bit flat, gained in today's trade, but at the end of it all, actually lost some ground from where it opened. Now, this is largely because of today is the day of the CBN auction. And consistently, the CBN has a major source of FX to the market. Market generally follow whatever activity that the CBN does at the window. We saw the CBN actually moving the Naira down by at about 30 kobo or thereabout. Market thus losing some ground, and we expect this to translate into the interbank market. Fenly? And
what's the outlook for the Naira for the week ahead?
Basically, we think Naira will trade on a flat basis, though we'll expect some slight depreciation on the Naira to continue, but not anything remarkable or so significant to cause panic into the market. We basically think that such depreciation would actually be on the back of speculative trading, not on the back of the currency fundamentals itself.